best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, all the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories.
Who's ready for an adventure? Woo! We're here in Glass Beach, California. Woo!
We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
Just listen, it's heavenly. We out here in the cuts of the ocean. It's gorgeous. Not a lot of glass like we would expect, but there's glass in the right spots where it's not touristy. Whew.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it. Don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
Today I'll tell you a story of a happy dog who went to the ocean to have a dip and frolic through the beautiful soft sand. He loves the water. If it means he gets to go fetch a stick, oh, he'll go fetch a stick. On this beautiful day, it was 60 degrees, and this fluffy thing could not be any happier. Frolicking from afar, he reaches this human and dances around him in joy. This happy boy had the best time of his life, and so we decided to give him more adventure time. We said hi to a bear, went to the Redwoods, chilled some more, explored.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest
ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, Mortgage Dubai ain't got shit on me. You can touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah.
Al, you hear that? We're gonna tell you to jump off that. Mount Shasta is on top of the clouds. McCloud Falls, California. We went here on a whim. We were going to go from Ashland, Oregon, all the way back home to California, but decided to go off the path for about 30 minutes and chase some waterfalls. So we ended up chasing the upper section of McCloud. There's a middle and there's a lower. And we said, what the heck, let's just go all the way up to the top. Because it was the least busiest area, and it was so worth it. The waterfall was massive. The pictures do not do it justice.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me.